Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making biscotti two ways. I have 1 cup of sugar, and to it I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter, 3 eggs, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix this all together with a fork. I have 2 3/4 cups of flour, and to it I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick mix. I have our dry ingredients, and to it I'm going to add the wet. I've taken my dough and I've split it into 2, and to this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of dried cranberry, 1/2 cup of crushed up whole pistachio, and a tablespoon of orange zest. I'm just going to work it all in together. To the other half of the dough, I have 3 ounces of 70% cacao chocolate. I'm just going to knead it in the dough. And this is ready to bake. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. I have a serrated knife, and I want to make slices about 1 inch thick. And there you have it. That's how you make biscotti. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.